Welcome to Section 1 of our YouTube Marketing 3.0 video training, YouTube Marketing Basics. In this section, we'll talk about what is YouTube all about, what YouTube can do for your business, shocking YouTube marketing facts to consider. We hope you enjoy and get the most out of this training section. What is YouTube all about? We're glad to tell you that we're going to talk about something that you'll just love. We're going to talk about YouTube and what makes it a great platform for everybody. And who doesn't know about YouTube? It is the second most popular and most widely visited website on the planet. And it is considered the place to go if you want to discover video content created by people from all walks of life. But what is it really? What is YouTube? YouTube is, at its very heart, a dedicated web-based video sharing platform for everybody to use. Yet YouTube has become so much more, thanks to the introduction of several features throughout the years that include light social functionality, as well as monetization for user-created content. YouTube got started as a simple video sharing website by 3 former PayPal employees, who were said to have had a hard time finding a way to upload short videos that had been shot at social gatherings. Its creators were also inspired by the difficulty that they had to find replays of popular broadcasts anywhere on the internet. It was launched in 2005 and quickly gained immense popularity among internet users. Such was its popularity that it was bought by Google for almost $2 billion the following year after its launch. What can you find on YouTube? YouTube is largely known as a place for watching videos online, and there you will find all types of video content that you can imagine. Whether you're looking for popular music videos, movie trailers, gameplay footage, sports broadcasts, and news, you will find it on YouTube, no matter where you are in the world. Media outlets, regular people, and content creators from all over the world can use the site to broadcast and publish their content, with videos such as concerts, sports events, live blogs, gaming tournaments, educational videos, documentaries, and live seminars can be uploaded and streamed on the platform. YouTube is such a popular video sharing website that users can even monetize their video content, thanks to YouTube's advertising sharing model for content creators, who are able to upload videos targeted at certain audiences, with some YouTubers making 6-figure incomes with original and curated content. What are YouTube's features? YouTube started as a niche site when it allowed users to create accounts on the site and upload simple everyday videos. But it quickly grew into a video sharing monster with awesome features including video playback. The most used feature on the platform is video playback, with over 1.5 billion monthly users visiting and playing videos on the site, vastly surpassing traditional TV when it comes to video consumption. Video uploads. YouTube allows all its users to upload videos of up to 15 minutes in duration, which has allowed a whole industry of video content creators to flourish on the platform. Live video streaming. One of the most hyped features on the platform is the ability that it gives users to broadcast live video streams on their channels, with a simple setup that doesn't require expensive equipment or extensive broadcasting knowledge. There is so much more to YouTube that you'll be simply amazed with. Stay tuned to discover the benefits that using YouTube can have for your business. What can YouTube do for your business? YouTube is the second most popular, most visited, most interacted with website on the planet. A site where video content is a main draw, and where the most appealing video content offerings have the potential of getting millions of views on a scale that was just not possible before. If you've been paying attention so far, you'll have noticed that we're not talking about YouTube to merely praise its features, but to highlight the things that represent a benefit for people like you and me. Because as an online marketer or business owner, you're always thinking about new ways to promote your content, your products, and your services, all platforms and tools that you access represents an opportunity for marketing, even when marketing is not their intended purpose. In this respect, YouTube also represents an amazing marketing opportunity, because video content sells, and YouTube has been slowly replacing TV as the preferred platform for small business, as well as for large enterprises to promote their stuff. Using YouTube as a business, then, is a great way to easily reach a wider audience because on a basic level, it allows you to create and upload videos to highlight your offers and to advertise on other people's videos. So what else can YouTube do for your business? YouTube will help your business to reach Google more easily. All business owners and marketers dream of the day when their content appears on the first page results of Google without them having to fork out large sums of money on advertising. And YouTube can help you to realize this dream because YouTube is part of the Google ecosystem. And Google gives significant relevancy to video content on their video streaming platform. So, if you have high quality content on your site and you create a YouTube video and insert it within your content, you will have a nice place on top of Google search results. YouTube will help you grow a worldwide audience. Video content on a platform with a popular and ever-growing global reach like YouTube will give you the opportunity to show your content to people that wouldn't have had the chance to learn about your business any other way. This includes people from overseas markets that might be looking for what you have to offer, increasing your chances of becoming a recognizable worldwide brand. YouTube will let your customers to promote for you. The commercial benefits of using YouTube as a business owner or marketer do not stop when a sale is made, because it allows your customers to promote your content by sharing videos with their favorite people, such as with friends and family. This is because when people trust a brand, they are much more likely to become their champions, telling everybody how great our offers are. YouTube will transform your business into an authority. Being perceived as an authority is one of the greatest assets of any brand. And YouTube can help your business to become one when you regularly post videos that can help your visitors and leads with everyday solutions, even before they buy from you, which increases sales and engagement with new customers. Shocking YouTube marketing facts to consider. YouTube is, as you can see, a great starting platform for any marketer or business owner who is seriously considering investing some time and effort into making it big on the internet because of its marvelously wide global reach. Best of all, YouTube fosters a sort of very strong engagement with its users because video content is one of the best forms of content that any platform can use to capture people's attention, and promoting your stuff on YouTube is easier because it looks pretty natural, as lots of businesses and marketers are not afraid to use a camera to show off the benefits of the products and service that they have to offer. In this video, we are going to show you some shocking YouTube marketing facts that will inspire you to get ideas on how to better plan strategies that will allow you to take your online marketing efforts as far as possible. Up until a few years ago, the mobile landscape was largely ignored by most marketing agencies and by the businesses that hire them. But mobile advertising has become a large portion of the overall mobile marketing industry in more recent years. YouTube has grown so much in popularity that consumption of marketing content on the platform for mobile devices increases at a rate of 100% with each passing year. A little known fact about YouTube marketing is that you can insert the marketing videos that you upload to YouTube on your marketing emails and get between a 200% and 300% increase in click-through rates. Landing pages are one of the most recognizable staples of the online marketing model, and YouTube videos only make them better, as including a YouTube video on your marketing landing pages could help you to increase conversions by a whopping 80%. Do you like product review videos? Everybody likes them, and we have the data to back up this claim, as 64% of people are more likely to buy a product online after they watch a video about that product. More and more online marketers are becoming aware of the importance of video marketing and about the wide global audience reach offered by YouTube, as over 87% of online marketers are using YouTube marketing as part of their online marketing efforts. Small businesses are also becoming more aware about the importance of using YouTube as an excellent launchpad for their online marketing tasks, as 9% of US-based small businesses are using YouTube and 22% of them are planning to post a video to the platform in the next 12 months. 90% of people say that product-oriented videos on YouTube help them to make purchasing decisions. The number of YouTube channels making six-figure salaries is increasing by a 50% rate year by year, which is great news for marketers thinking about posting viral content on the platform. These are some of the most amazing YouTube marketing facts, and you can leverage this information to create a more targeted content for the YouTube platform.